Hello, welcome to RBR. We are here to help you fix a broken zipper. For semi-auto lock slider, or we so called the YG Camlock slider, is often having some slight problem that might bring trouble on wearing a jacket or a garment. It is mostly caused by product pressing on the cargo or by some other circumstances, but we are here to help you fix a disformed YG slider. Okay, so let's begin. You need to prepare a pliers, okay, and a piece of cloth. Any cloth will do. Okay, now so we are going to define a normal slider of a YG Camlock slider when both sides are aligned, they are in good condition. So this is good zipper. So what is bad zipper and causing some product problems? It is when one portion of the window, this is what we call the window, the square portion, when one portion is higher than the other, that causes the problem of operating your zipper. So we need to define whether it is left side is higher or the right side is higher. Then we will clip the higher portion. So this is normal, and then we will make it higher so you can define which one is damaged portion. Okay, so I'm gonna clip it here gently to show you what is disformed so you can define it. Okay, so I'm gonna, okay, I have done it. Okay, so here we go. We have the window. This is disformed slider. So how do we define? Okay, so this is higher and this is lower. Then we need to put the piece of cloth on the higher portion and then clip it gently. Okay, because I have inserted these pliers inside and then the both side went up, so we need to clip the both sides. Okay, but normally if it's just pressed by the goods, then it will be one side higher and the other side is lower. So you need to put the cloth around the window and then we will gently clip it to, okay, then there we go, we clip it already. So it had come back to its own shape without leaving any scars on the slider because we used the cloth. Okay, and then you can use this one on the tape. Okay, so let's see when it is easy to operate. Then there you have fixed a zipper. Okay, you can try on it. Thank you for watching.